Oh Lord, I honestly pray in thankfulness for every single day, for all creations bright and beautiful everywhere. We at GIS, we need your guidance as we learn to love and honor our parents and our teachers and our friends with everything we do and sing. We at GIS, we need your presence to experience the joy of learning in the classrooms and all around. With every step we take each day, shine on us, shine on us. Oh Lord, I earnestly pray in thankfulness for every single day, for all creations bright and beautiful everywhere. We at GIS, we need your guidance as we learn to love and honor our parents and our teachers and our friends with everything we do and sing. We at GIS, we need your presence to experience the joy of learning in the classrooms and all around. With every step we take each day, shine on us, shine on us, shine on us.
Now, my friends, Abhishek and Ayan present to you the thoughts of the day.
Now, those who dare to fail greatly can ever achieve greatly. Now,
The starting point of all achievements is desire. Keep this constantly in mind. Weak desires bring weak results, just as small amount of fire makes a small amount of heat. The start
Thank you, boys. Now let's learn the meanings of achievement, of ability and achievement. I call upon Samrit to share these meanings with us.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you the meaning of ability and achievement. So let's know it. What's the meaning of ability and achievement? Ability. What's the meaning of ability? Possession of the means or skill to do something is the meaning of ability. Achievement. What's the meaning of achievement? Achievement is a thing done successfully with effort, skill, or courage, or also the process or fact of achieving something is the meaning of achievement.
Moving on, we have the breaking news headlines by Nayonika.
This is Channels Television's breaking news. morning, dear friends and teachers. The following are the news headlines. General News India. COVID 19. India completes 1 year of vaccination drive. HC to restart virtual hearings from Jan 17. Delhi coldest day in 2 years. Maximum temperature falls below 15 degrees Celsius. Old tamarind and neem trees in North Karnataka get biodiversity heritage tag. World news. Volcano erupts near Tonga. Icelanders rush to escape waves. The volcano erupted near the Pacific nation of Tonga. 10th century Indian athletes in England returned to India on Makar Sankranti. North Korea tests railway-borne missile in latest launch amid rising tension with US. US's allies offer Ukraine whatever support it needs to recover from cyber attack. No longer His Royal Highness Britain's Queen Elizabeth strips Prince Andrew of military titles. Science news. Part donkey, part wild axe. The kunga is the oldest known hybrid bred or animal by males. Quantum particles can feel the influence of gravitational fields we never touch. Scientists reveal that the Aharonov-Bohm effect also applies to gravity. Scientists spotted the first early warning sign of a standard type supernova. Scientists observed the last gas of a type of star called a red supergiant. Organic molecules in an ancient Mars meteorite formed via geology, not alien life. The largest group of nesting fish found lying beneath our Antarctic ice. Sports news. Novak Djokovic back in detention continues to deportation. Virat Kohli steps down as India Test captain. Kohli took to social media to make the announcement. Lakshya Sen enters India Open family finals. The India Open tournament was on Thursday, rocked by the COVID-19 pandemic, with as many as 7 Indian shuttlers, including reigning World Championship silver medalist Kidambi Srikanth, withdrawing from the event after testing positive for the virus. 18-time Grand Slam champ Chris Evert diagnosed with cancer. Thank you.
Let us watch some facts about some differently abled achievers.
Hello, today we are going to introduce some disabled people who achieved something in spite of the challenges in their lives.
Ravindra Jain.
My disability is that I was born blind and I will be blind for the rest of my life. But in spite of that, I became a singer.
Now we have Helen Keller.
My disability is blindness and deafness, but in spite of that, I completed my bachelor's degree in art or BA.
Now it's Franklin D. Roosevelt's turn to speak about himself.
I am diagnosed with Guillain-Barré syndrome, but in spite of that, I guided America in the World War II.
Now I would like to call Esther Vergier.
I was paralyzed under the waist after undergoing the surgery, and in spite of my disability, I took interest in tennis and played it since then. And without wasting time, I would like to welcome Louis Brave.
Thank you, ma'am. I was blinded at the age of 3 and I invented a tactile 6-dot reading and writing system for the blind.
Thank you, everyone. And remember, disabled can also achieve.
Now, my friend Netra will recite her poem.
Don't stare. Don't judge on what you see. We might have harsh realities, but when we fall, we will rise. We don't lose, we win the prize. Don't stare, we're all the same. Even if I'm in a wheelchair, we're still a powerful flame. Don't pity us for what we don't have, appreciate us for what we do have. It all depends on your point of view, but we're the same as you. We are still fighters. Our disabilities do not stop us. Ignore the fact that I have a disability, then you shall see all my abilities. It's not a disability, it's a different ability. Thank you.
Let us interview Deepa Malik, a person with a disability but who has a lot of ability.
First and foremost is doubt in the potential of a person or physical ability. Other misunderstanding is, oh my god, a disability. There has to be some ability, some potential, some talent. We just need to work around it. The other misconception is that we are always sad. How can a person on a wheelchair be happy? If they can't walk, how can they be happy? Everyone suffers from a disability. Someone could have financial challenges, someone could have social challenges, someone could have emotional challenges. So why so much attention and stress in a negative way given to a person who is physically or visibly disabled? Next is the inclusivity part. Why are we excluded automatically? If the infrastructure is not barrier free, then the mind is not barrier free. Next would be lack of sensitization or education towards the disability. Winners don't do different things. They do things differently. So the fact that we are doing things differently already makes us winners.
I now I now welcome my friends Ashmita and Swarali. The stage is yours.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। होंगे कामयाब एक दिन, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we'll walk hand in hand someday. हम चलेंगे साथ साथ, डाले हाथों में हाथ, हम चलेंगे साथ साथ एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
I welcome my friend Swarali who will say the vote of thanks.
Good morning, one and all gathered here on this wonderful morning. I'm raising the vote of thanks. It's a matter of pride for me that I got a chance to thank everyone present here. I would like to thank Sita Shankar ma'am, Simi ma'am, and my wonderful teachers and my dear friends for giving us this wonderful opportunity to present this assembly. Thank you.